Hi, I'm Toby with NEPA Builders, and we are proud to announce that our 4th annual Raising the Roof program is back. Raising the Roof is a partnership of NEPA Builders, 84 Lumber, and Fox 56 to replace a roof for a local family in need. Last year's roof giveaway was a huge success, and we were excited to give back to a local family who needs a helping hand.
They had a little thing this morning where they got the team together, did a circle, they spoke kind words and did a little prayer. It's just a really heartfelt thing that they're doing for the community. They don't have to do this. They want to do this for the communities, and it's an amazing thing, and I'm really grateful. They're a great group of people. Northeast PA Builders and 84 Lumber are amazing, and you know, everybody support them because they're supporting us. So get out there and support the community, people, because this is an amazing thing.
Nominate a family today at nepabuilders.com and join us in building a better Northeast.